Hey everyone, welcome back. Get ready for a quick guide of our latest Channable updates, packed with solutions to boost your efficiency and performance. We have some massive automation and AI features to cover today, so let's dive right in. Starting with our core updates, say goodbye to manual mapping. Our new AI feed setup automatically analyzes your product feed, maps internal fields, and categorizes products in minutes. It's already saving customers up to 20 minutes when setting up a Google Shopping feed and delivering a 25% reduction in setup time for meta feeds. Next up, AI text generation is officially live. You can now instantly generate, localize, and optimize high-converting product titles, descriptions, and ad copy for every single SKU. Simply connect your own OpenAI or Gemini account directly inside Channable to keep full control over your data security and costs. To wrap up our core updates, we are preparing your brand for the shift towards AI-driven conversational search. Channable now fully supports Google's 6 new conversational attributes within your Google feed setup. Even better, you can use our built-in AI text tool to auto-generate this highly descriptive data instantly. Our brand kit has officially graduated from a template-by-template setup to a centralized system at the project level. Now, you can automatically apply consistent brand assets, like your exact colors, fonts, and logos, across every dynamic creative and connection without any manual repetition. In marketplaces, we're tackling Amazon onboarding bottlenecks with a powerful duo workflow. Our system pairs catalog matching to fast-track existing products via ASIN cross-referencing, with bulk mapping acting as a smart cross-category fallback to rapidly structure attributes for unique inventory. Big news for social commerce. TikTok Shop is launching in the Netherlands. Channable's real-time integration is live from day one, meaning you can handle listing optimization, centralized order management, and dynamic inventory syncing seamlessly. Also expanding is Kaufland, heading into the Netherlands and Spain at the end of the summer. Our upcoming API integration will soon be fully equipped to handle your onboarding, allowing you to list products and sync stock and orders before launch to get your ads ready. For the CSS, there's an important deadline approaching. Ahead of Google's August 18th, 2026 merchant API migration, Shopify merchants using the Google and YouTube app face automated product ID changes that risk resetting campaign learnings. To safeguard your history, Channable has introduced a dedicated Shopify rule template to easily preserve your original ID structure. On the performance updates, we have some really exciting news. Channable has officially acquired the conversion tracking platform, Metrion. This closes the feedback loop between campaign execution and real revenue, providing you with transparent, consistent, compliant, first-party data that moves past unreliable platform-reported metrics, even for deeper advertising data. Finally, we wanted to invite you to our brand new home for the community. We've launched our official subreddit, r/ChannableOfficial. It's the perfect space to exchange advanced feed structuring tips, troubleshoot complex rules, and share insights directly with our team. And that's a wrap from me. Log into your Channable dashboard today to try these features out. Check the description below for the full details, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!